Question is, at 27 degrees Celsius, 1 mole of an ideal gas is compressed isothermally and reversibly from a pressure of 2 atmosphere to 10 atmosphere. See, temperature is given. Write this temperature in Kelvin. So 27 degrees Celsius means 300 Kelvin. Initial pressure is given as 2 atmosphere and final pressure is 10 atmosphere. So we will calculate delta E and Q. So you know, as it is isothermal means at constant temperature and at the same time gas is ideal. For an ideal gas, internal energy change depends on temperature only. So as temperature is constant, so obviously delta E is 0. So this is option 1 only. But let us calculate Q as well. So now, you know, work done in an isothermal and reversible compression or expansion, the expression is minus 2.303 nRT log of final volume upon initial volume. So in terms of pressure, it is initial pressure upon final pressure. So it is minus 2.303. And what is N? 1. Value of R is given as 2. And temperature is 300. And the log of 2 by 10. The initial pressure is 2, final pressure is 10. So it is 2.303 into 2 into 300 log of 1 upon 5. So to change into log 5, it is minus log 5. So minus minus plus. So it is 2.303 into 600 log of 5. So what is the value? 2.303 into 600 into log 5 is 0.699. You know, delta is Q plus W is equal to 0. So that means W is equal to minus, so Q is equal to minus W. Yes, beta. What is the value?
Sir, 965.83.
Okay, 965.83 calories. So Q comes out to be minus 965.83. So that means option A is correct.